In this video, we will discuss MCQs from 376 to 400. That MCQs will be very helpful and taken from the past papers. MCQs number 376. In which year was the All India Muslim Educational Conference founded? The answer is 1886. MCQs number 377. Who proposed the idea of separate Muslim state in his Allahabad address? The answer is Allama Muhammad Iqbal. MCQs number 378. In which year was the Allahabad address delivered? The answer is 1930. MCQs number 379. Who was the British Prime Minister at the time of Third Roundtable Conference? The answer is Rame MacDonald. MCQs number 380. In which year was the Government of India Act enforced? The answer is 1935. MCQs number 381. Which article of the 1973 Constitution deals with the appointment of the Chief Justice of Pakistan? The answer is Article 175A. MCQs number 382. Under which article is the Council of Islamic Ideology established? The answer is Article 228. MCQs number 383. In which year was the first Constitution of Pakistan promulgated? The answer is 1956. MCQs number 384. Who was the Governor General of Pakistan at the time of the dismissal of the first Constitutional Assembly? The answer is Ghulam Muhammad. MCQs number 385. In which year was the dismissal of the first Constitutional Assembly declared valid by the Federal Court? The answer is 1955. MCQs number 386. Which case validated the Governor General's actions in dissolving the Constituent Assembly? The answer is Maulvi Tamizuddin case. MCQs number 387. In which year did Pakistan leave SEATO? The answer is 1972. MCQs number 388. Which Pakistani Prime Minister signed the Shimla Agreement? The answer is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. MCQs number 389. In which year was the Shimla Agreement signed? The answer is 1972. MCQs number 390. Which article of the Constitution guarantees equality of citizens? The answer is Article 25. MCQs number 391. In which year was the 17th Constitutional Amendment passed? The answer is 2003. MCQs number 392. Which province of Pakistan has the largest coastline? The answer is Balochistan. MCQ number 393. What is the length of Pakistan coastline approximately? The answer is 1046 km. MCQ number 394. In which year was Pakistan declared an Islamic Republic under 1956 Constitution? The answer is 1956. MCQ number 395. Which Pakistani dam is built on the river Kabul? The answer is Warsak Dam. MCQ number 396. In which year was the 7th NFC Award announced? The answer is 2009. MCQ number 397. Who was the President of Pakistan during the 18th Constitutional Amendment? The answer is Asif Ali Zardari. MCQ number 398. In which year was the Kargil conflict fought? The answer is 1999. MCQ number 399. Which mineral is most abundantly found in the salt range? The answer is rock salt. MCQ number 400. Which Pakistani city is known as the Manchester of Pakistan? The answer is Faisalabad. In the next coming video, we will discuss MCQs from 401 to 425. Thanks for watching.